Had a good Sunday morning. It's the 13th day of November. Well, it's 10 minutes to 8, and it's a little bit chilly and windy right now. It was about 70 degrees yesterday. It'll be about upper 60s today and tomorrow. It's pretty much going to be in the 60s to near 70 all week, basically. And nights are going to be cold in the 40s. Yep. But it is beautiful out. The Rams play the Cardinals today. The Chargers play the Niners this afternoon or evening. The Clippers lost to the Nets last night, 110-95, but the LA Kings just keep winning. They've won their fourth in a row now. But yes, I think every game from here on out is going to be a must-win for the Rams. Also, a happy birthday to Andrew Friedman, who's our president of baseball operations. Also, a happy belated birthday to Sammy Sosa and to Marcos Breton, and of course to Al Michaels, and to Russell Westbrook. Just had a birthday yesterday, and of course, well, happy birthday also to Whoopi Goldberg as well, and to Pat Henskin, and to the late Mel Stottlemyre. Yeah. And yeah, the Lakers are in action against the Nets tonight too. And yes, the Lakers are like one of the worst teams in the NBA, unfortunately. Well, I know that there's a lot of people that don't want to even watch or care for the Lakers at the moment. But yeah, well, we all know about the rich history of this Laker franchise. You know, it's 17 NBA titles, you know, tied with Boston. And yes, unfortunately, Boston keeps winning right now too. And it's the Bucks and the Celtics that are going toe-to-toe in that conference. And Utah is the best in the West. Surprisingly, they are. Yeah, Phoenix is keeping pace as well. Miami is kind of like a mediocre team right now. Yeah, of course, Boston is on fire, unfortunately. Of course, they are the defending Eastern champs, conference champs. And the defending champion Warriors play the Kings, and the Warriors are finding their winning ways again. And yeah, the Golden State Warriors, yeah, they're the team to beat in the NBA. But, and yes, it's awards week coming up. Tomorrow will be the Rookie of the Year. Tuesday will be Manager of the Year. Wednesday will be the Cy Young, and Thursday will be MVP. So there's always news in the off season. And yes, I mean, ever since Andrew Friedman became the president of baseball operations, they made the playoffs every year, 3 pennants, 1 World Series. Got to be one of the best baseball executives during that time frame. But yes, well, let's see if the Lakers can get back in the win column today against Brooklyn. But after tonight, the Lakers will have a few days off, which will be definitely needed. But we'll see. Meanwhile, have a good rest of your Sunday, and I'll catch you all later. Amen.